they took everything, don't take it back. Build more. There are times in life when people take more than they ever gave. They take your trust. They take your love. They take your time, your loyalty, your energy, and then they leave. They walk away as if what they took wasn't sacred, as if you didn't give it from a place of truth, as if you meant nothing. They don't return the kindness. They don't apologize. They don't fix what they broke. And you're left there, empty, confused, drained. They took everything. You feel like the light inside you is flickering, like you've been robbed of your voice, your value, your strength. And the anger rises. The pain screams. Your heart wants to take it all back. You want to undo the moments. Take back the words. Take back the help. Take back the love. Take back the pieces of yourself you gave so freely. But let me tell you something powerful. You don't need to take it back. You just need to build more. Because you didn't lose yourself. You just gave too much to the wrong hands. And now, you rise with nothing. Still build everything. Let them take what they did. Let them think they walked away with the best of you. What they don't know is that the best of you is yet to come. What they stole wasn't your end. It was your beginning. They didn't take your soul. They didn't take your ability to create. They didn't take your vision. They didn't take your fire. And they can never touch your potential. You are not what they left behind. You are what you decide to build next. So, instead of chasing what's gone, start building what's coming. Build yourself again. Build without bitterness. Build with grace. Build with the wisdom that only heartbreak can teach. Build with the strength that only emptiness can give. Start over, not because they won, but because you're just getting started. Let your pain push you. Let your emptiness inspire you. Let the silence they left behind become the space where something beautiful is born. Because here's the truth. People can take what's in your hands, but they can never take what's in your heart. They can't take your courage. They can't take your ideas. They can't take your faith. They can't take your future unless you give it to them. So don't go backward. Don't beg. Don't plead. Don't look over your shoulder wondering if they'll return. Instead, look forward. Walk forward. Build forward in every time. You feel the weight of what was taken. Remind yourself, I am not defined by what I lost. I am shaped by what I rise to create. It's the greatest people you know. The strongest. The most inspiring. They weren't handed peace. They built it. They weren't handed love. They became it. They weren't protected from pain. They turned their pain into purpose. You can do the same. You already are. You're reading this. You're breathing. You're hurting, okay? But you're still here. And that means something. It means the story isn't over, okay? It means the next chapter is waiting. It means the world hasn't seen your full power yet. So don't waste your strength chasing the past. Don't waste your soul trying to take back what's no longer yours. Use that strength. Use that soul. Build more. Build a stronger mind. Build a deeper peace. Build healthier boundaries. Build new dreams. Build new days that don't depend on who stayed or who left. And do it quietly. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Let your success speak. Let your energy change. Let your glow return, not for them, but for you. And one day, you'll look around and realize what they took from you. It wasn't everything, because you still had your faith. You still had your fight. You still had your purpose. And with those three things, You can rebuild mountains, can start over and rise higher than before. It's going to turn rock bottom into a launch pad. That's what powerful people do. They don't chase. They don't seek revenge. They don't cry for what left. They build, and they don't build to impress. They build because they deserve the life that was stolen from them. So do you, right now. You have two choices. You can stay bitter, or you can get better. You can stay stuck, or you can start again. You can keep asking, why me? Or you can rise and whisper, watch me. They took everything. Don't take it back. Build more, build better. Do it boldly, and let the new you, the healed, whole, unshakable you, be the greatest thing they never saw coming. Because this time, no one's taking it from you. This time, you're building with boundaries, with balance, with belief, and this time, you'll be unstoppable asterisk, hash, asterisk, asterisk. If they took everything, don't take it back. Build beyond it, asterisk, asterisk. There will be moments in your life when people won't just disappoint you. They'll take everything you gave and walk away without looking back. Everything you built with love, everything you protected with loyalty, everything you created with sacrifice, gone, and you'll stand there, confused, empty, shattered. They took your time, your kindness, your energy, your dreams, maybe, and worst of all, they took your peace. You feel like they left you with nothing. No strength, no purpose, no direction, and that kind of pain doesn't just hurt, it haunts you. You start replaying every memory, every word, every sacrifice, and you wonder, could they take so much and feel nothing? You think about going back, retrieving your love, retracting your help, ungiving your effort. But here's the truth. Asterisk, asterisk. You can't ungive what's already gone. You can't unfeel what's been felt. You can't take back what they already carried away. Asterisk, asterisk. So don't waste your time trying. Instead, make a powerful decision. Don't take it back. Build beyond it. Let them walk away with the pieces, because what they took may have been part of your story. But it's not the whole story, and it will never be the final chapter. You are not broken. You are just in the space between endings and new beginnings. You are not empty. You are clearing room for something greater. You are not defeated. You are asterisk, becoming asterisk. You are becoming someone stronger, someone wiser, someone who knows that love is not weakness, that giving doesn't make you foolish, that peace lost can become peace, rebuilt, bigger and better. So instead of wasting your days wishing you could undo it all, start using this moment to build what they couldn't take. They couldn't take your courage. They couldn't take your spirit. They couldn't take your will to rise again. That belongs to you. It's only you. Asterisk, asterisk. And with those things, you can build a life that doesn't just recover. It expands. Asterisk, asterisk. Build new dreams, not to replace what was lost, but to honor who you're becoming. Build a stronger voice, one that doesn't beg, but speaks truth quietly. Build a deeper peace, one that isn't dependent on who stays or who goes. Because healing isn't about forgetting what happened. It's about remembering who you are in spite of it. You gave your heart. You gave your time. You gave all you had. And that's not weakness. That's power. Because not everyone has the strength to give without expecting something back. Not everyone can love deeply and still rise after being left empty. But you You can, and you will, because now you understand. You don't need to go back. You don't need to rewrite history. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You just need to build with the pieces you still have, with the strength you still hold. With the vision they never saw in you, but you always knew was there. Let them think they took everything. Let them walk away thinking they won. What they don't know is that you're just getting started. You're not rebuilding the same thing. You're building something unshakable, something untouchable. Because this time, your foundation is truth. This time, your boundaries are stronger. This time, your soul is wiser. You're no longer giving to be loved. You're loving yourself first. You're no longer shrinking to be accepted. You're expanding to become your fullest self. You're no longer chasing closure because you've made peace within. And that's what building beyond looks like. It's not loud. It's not for show. It's quiet. It's deep. It's real. So if they took everything, let them. Let them carry the weight of what they lost. Let them live with the emptiness of not valuing what was golden. You're done chasing. You're done begging. You're done holding the door open for people who were never meant to stay. Now, you build without apology. Build without revenge. Build without fear. Because the next version of your life, it won't be built on what they gave or took. It will be built on who you choose to become. And that's something no one can take away again. Asterisk, asterisk. So if they took everything, don't shrink, don't snap, and don't chase. Don't take it back. Build beyond it. Because your best days didn't leave with them. They're waiting for you to begin again, stronger, smarter, louder, in silence, and greater than ever. Asterisk, asterisk. This is your time now. You're healing, you're rising, you're becoming. So build and never look back.